From pumpkin patches to panoramic waterfront views. Today's episode is all about the lifestyle in the Pacific Northwest. I'm Julia Runyan, your hometown real estate and lifestyle expert. Let's go pick out a pumpkin. Well, we're starting our tour today here at Turnbull Farms on the Key Peninsula, where family and community come together with Troy and Tami Turnbull.
Yes.
How did you all get started here?
Well, we've been in the community for my whole life in Geek Harbor. We sold Christmas trees to the community there. Grandparents started and then moved out here about 4 years ago, and Tami got us going on a farm here, and this is our home now.
What's your favorite part of farming lifestyle? I know you've got a lot of acreage here. Do you manage it all yourselves, or?
You know, we've gotten some help here in the last year or so, but up until that, it was just Tami and I. Tami's busy all day long working in the garden. She planted all the pumpkins herself, planted all the dahlias herself, does all the flower stuff. I get home from work and then the list is there and we're ready to go.
So you also have a vegetable garden. Yep. And I saw the goats and the chickens and the donkeys. There's a horse and ducks.
Yes, there's a lot. Every time I come home, there's a new animal, and Tami's smiling and saying, "Honey, come see the new animal we have."
We have a new dairy cow coming in March.
And cows. Oh, I forgot about the cows. Yeah. So, well, very cool. Do you get eggs from the chickens and ducks? You do your own eggs?
I do love the chickens. They have lots of eggs, which I absolutely love that part of the farm. That kind of grounds you to what you are doing on a farm, right? You appreciate the meat that we get from the cows. The eggs is fantastic, and so we as a couple has grown closer, and this farm is just it just has a vibe of just goodness.
I love that. Well, why don't you give us a tour?
Yeah, let's do it.
As you step into the fields at Turnbull Farms, you can feel the season all around you. The crisp air, the golden leaves, and rows upon rows of pumpkins waiting to be chosen. Families wander through the patch. Kids search for the perfect shape. And the laughter that fills the air reminds us why these traditions matter. Turnbull Farms is more than a pumpkin patch. Throughout the year, it transforms into a space of seasonal workshops, farm-to-table experience, and even private events. Whether it's wreath making in the winter, yoga in the fields during the summer, or celebrating milestones, surrounded by nature, this farm is a canvas for life's best moments. This is the kind of lifestyle that makes the Pacific Northwest so unique.
Welcome home. Come take a tour with me of Wollochet Bay's finest living. This residence was conceived by Brett Dreger of Dreger Architects and crafted by Gary Howe, both highly respected names in Northwest design and construction. Their collaboration blends artistry with precision, resulting in a home that is enduring as it is inspiring. Life here flows with the tides. Wake to panoramic views, steep into your private beach, or launch from the shared dock. The property invites both serenity and adventure, whether you're hosting friends, enjoying a quiet sunset, or paddle boarding across the bay right from your backyard. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Julia Runyan, your hometown host. Whether it's luxury waterfront living or connecting with our farming community, there is truly something special for everyone in the South Puget Sound. Until next time, live inspired, secure your future, and keep on living the American dream. Cheers.